In this video I'll show you how to create Code128 and GS1-128 barcodes in InterformNG. For these barcodes and for any other barcode in InterformNG, you don't need to install a special tooltype font and you don't need to pay extra. All of the barcodes are included in the base product. To define a barcode, you first need to add a barcode style which sets the specifications like the width and the height, and then you insert a barcode element. If you go with the GS1-128 barcode, then you can use the vertical bar to insert FNC1 to delimit variable length fields. If you're going to use either of the barcodes for label printing, then you need to consider the width of the barcode lines because that is rounded up to the whole number of dots in the printer resolution that you're going to use. So it means, for instance, with a low resolution printer, the barcode might be larger in the width because it's rounded up to the whole number of dots in that specific resolution. And of course, with the 203 dpi printer, for instance, the dots are wider than in 600 dpi. So let me show you how it's done. So here in the designer, we first create a barcode style. Select either Code128 or GS1-128. The height, and the height is measured in whatever measurement you have stated up here. So I'm running with centimeters. The width, and that's the width of the slim lines of the barcode, which is measured in 1,000 parts of an inch. So if we say, for instance, 25, then we have specified the barcode, except of course if you want the text that goes into the barcode as human readable text below the barcode, then you can activate it here. It's default on. The code set, that is the encoding of the data that goes into the barcode. If you keep the default value of all, then the barcode will be as small as possible, and this setting is also recommended. Now we insert a barcode element, and the data that you put into the barcode can be a constant or it can be referring to the input XML, of course. Here we select the type of barcode and the data that we want to put into the barcode.